Ever wondered why some relationships fail while others flourish? It's a question that can keep us up at night. What if I told you that there are common behaviors that, if left unchecked, can undermine even the strongest of bonds? Today we dive into this very topic, armed with insights from relationship experts. We'll examine 4 frequent behaviors that often lead to the downfall of relationships, so we can recognize them and steer clear. Stay tuned as we uncover these relationship pitfalls. The first behavior that can harm relationships is the absence of sincere apologies. An apology is more than just a sorry. It's an acknowledgement of a mistake, a bridge over troubled waters, and a testament to the value you place on your relationship. Experts say that a lack of sincere apologies can create a chasm of misunderstanding. Imagine this. You've had a heated argument with your partner. Emotions are running high, words have been exchanged, and now there's an uncomfortable silence. Here, a sincere apology can turn the tide. It's an olive branch, a way to say, I value our relationship more than my ego. But what if the apology never comes? Or if it does, it's half-hearted, or worse, merely a way to end the argument rather than resolve it. That's when resentment starts to creep in. It's like a small crack in a dam that can eventually cause it to collapse. A sincere apology, on the other hand, is a powerful tool. It can mend broken hearts, rebuild trust, and strengthen bonds. It requires courage, humility, and a genuine desire to make things right. So, the next time you find yourself in a situation where you've hurt your partner, remember, an apology isn't just about saying sorry. It's about acknowledging your mistake, taking responsibility, and demonstrating your commitment to making things better. Remember, a sincere apology can mend broken bridges and rekindle the flame of love. The second destructive behavior is unhealthy emotional dependency. This behavior manifests when one partner becomes so emotionally reliant on the other that they lose sight of their own identity. They start to feel lost without their partner, as if they're missing a piece of themselves. This level of emotional dependency can be suffocating and often leads to an imbalance in the relationship. Experts often refer to this as losing oneself in the relationship. It's a dangerous path, as it not only burdens the other partner with the responsibility of fulfilling your emotional needs, but also strips you off your individuality, your uniqueness, your passions, your dreams. They all take a back seat as your world starts revolving around your partner. But why is maintaining individuality in a relationship so important? Relationship experts suggest that maintaining your individuality is crucial for a healthy and balanced relationship. It allows you to bring something unique to the table, to share different perspectives and experiences, and to grow together as a couple, yet separately as individuals. It's important to remember that a relationship is a partnership. Your partner is there to complement you, to share life with you, but not to become your life. They cannot be your only source of happiness or fulfillment. Remember, it's okay to lean on your partner, but it's not okay to lose yourself in the process. Your partner complements you but doesn't complete you. Maintain your individuality. The third behavior that can destroy relationships is the lack of clear and positive communication. Picture this: 2 people in a relationship, yet they are like ships sailing in the night. They are together, but they're not really communicating. They're not expressing their needs, their wants, or their feelings. Misunderstandings can easily arise from assumptions. Assumptions are like wild cards. They can lead to misconceptions and create a void of misunderstanding. Here's a piece of wisdom from relationship experts: never assume. If something is unclear, ask. If something bothers you, express it. If you need something, state it. Communication is not just about talking. It's about listening, too. It's about understanding and validating the other person's feelings. It's about compromising. It's about respect. Clear communication is like a bridge that connects 2 people. It's the path where thoughts, feelings, and intentions travel from one person to another. But remember, it's not just about being clear. It's about being positive, too. Positive communication is about expressing yourself in a way that is kind and respectful. It's about focusing on solutions rather than problems. It's about encouraging rather than criticizing. To sum it up, clear and positive communication is the lifeline of any relationship. It's the oxygen that keeps the relationship alive and thriving. So speak up, don't assume, listen, don't judge, be clear, be positive, and watch your relationship flourish. The fourth and final destructive behavior is controlling behavior. It's as if you're slowly being squeezed by an invisible hand. A partner setting unrealistic expectations, making you feel like you're perpetually falling short, is a classic example of controlling behavior. It's not just about telling your partner what to do or not to do. It's about subtly undermining their confidence, making them second-guess their own judgment. Now let's delve into what the experts say. According to relationship authorities, this behavior is a red flag, signaling an unhealthy power dynamic. It's crucial to understand that love is not about power or control. It's about mutual respect, understanding, and acceptance. If you find yourself constantly trying to meet a set of ever-changing, impossible standards, stop and reflect. It's not your duty to fulfill someone else's unrealistic expectations. You're not an actor playing a role in someone else's screenplay. The antidote to controlling behavior is respect. Respect for your partner's autonomy, their choices, and their right to be themselves. It's about understanding that your partner, like you, is a unique individual with their own thoughts, feelings, and experiences. In the grand scheme of things, it's essential to remember that a healthy relationship is a partnership. It's about two people supporting each other, not one person calling the shots. In a relationship, mutual respect is key. Let your partner breathe. All relationships have their ups and downs, and understanding these destructive behaviors can help navigate these challenges. To recap, we've explored the damage caused by a lack of sincere apologies, unhealthy emotional dependency, unclear or negative communication, and controlling behavior. It's crucial to recognize and avoid these behaviors, fostering healthier, happier relationships. Remember, knowledge is power, and with this understanding, you can build stronger bonds. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with others. Stay tuned for more insightful videos.